Good afternoon sa follower at viewer natin. Alis na naman tayo. Tapos na pa tayo discharging and loading. Shoutout pala kay Fernando Briones Austria, kay RR Wheeler, shoutout kay Captain and Camo, Vicente Mosquera, shoutout kay Bon Jukoy Sir, shoutout kay Vicente Mosquera. Good luck. Alis naman tayo. Focus muna tayo. Forward, let go headline.
Go headline, sir.
Area headline. Perme mo lang spring.
May spring, let go headline.
Apo pa, area stern line.
Let go stern line up.
Slackan mo lang yung spring mo po pa pag mag-tight.
Up, heading up, stern line.
Okay, heaving up stern line. Okay, birapol kanina pro
Turn line on deck, propellers clear.
Okay, propellers clear.
Naka-waving up anchor, sir.
Okay, thank you. Slack mo lang yung spring mo pro pag mag-tight.
Sir, slack spring pagka mag-type.
Okay. Portes, desar lower Portes, wala pwersa.
Walang pulsa.
Okay.
Leading 7 o'clock moderate.
7 o'clock moderate.
7 o'clock, sir, moderate.
Okay, 7 o'clock moderate. Nagbira pala tayo ng kanina. May fishing boat kasi sa likod natin, 5 meters lang yung distansya. 10 meters. Nakating, kaunti lang distansya. May kable din yan siya. Yan o. Sa awan pa noon, hindi malakas yung hangin. Medyo makulimlim na. Yan. Balik natin yung camera. Hindi natin i-full pala to kasi ano na siya.
Leading 7 o'clock moderate.
7 o'clock mo din. Let go spring mo pro
Let go spring forward. Up, spring line forward.
Okay, heaving up spring line.
Meters, 8 meters.
Okay, 8 meters up. Thank you. Yan, mga fishing boat, 8 meters. Si Giselle
7 o'clock moderate.
7 o'clock moderate. Si Giselle Kelvin, yan. Shout out kay taga Giselle Kelvin. Tapos may lumabas pa yung fishing boat. Yan o. Labas siya. Wala lang yung ibon dito. May ibon dito. Ilang shackle na pro Yan.
Sir, 7 meters, 7 meters.
Okay, 7 meters.
Spring line on deck forward.
Come again.
Spring line on deck forward.
Spring line on deck. Ilang shackle pro
Wala pa yung isa, sir. Wala pa yung isa.
Okay. Yan, bira tayo.
Diesel, 10 meters na, sir. 10 meters.
10 meters increasing. Slack lang pag mag-tight spring mo po pa.
Sir, babag-type yung spring ko, sir. Arihan ko lang konti.
Arihan mo lang konti. Pag ma-beam ka na sa pupa niya, arihan mo lang spring mo.
Roger, sir. Roger.
Okay.
Unshackle on the house pipe. Chain leading 7 o'clock. Moderate type.
Okay, copy. Thank you.
Safe distance, diesel is about 5 meters. 5 meters.
Okay, 5 meters up. Thank you. Midship rudder.
Chain leading 7 o'clock. Tight. 1 on deck. 1 on deck.
Okay, 7 o'clock tight. Kaya birahin?
Sir, na lang naman dahan-dahan.
Okay. Po pa? Area na spring mo po pa?
Let no spring.
Okay. Yan lang mga follower at viewer natin. Lapit na maklear si Giselle Kelvin. Ingat palagi, hindi ko nahabahan yung
Ang line kasi ito, moving up.
Okay, heaving up. Thank you. Madilim na.
Check distance, 3 meters to up of Giselle.
Okay, 3 meters. Thank you. Kick ahead.
7 o'clock, moderate.
Okay, kick ahead. Dead slow ahead. Kick tayo ahead. Maraming salamat. Ingat ka lagi. God bless. Stop engine.